Okay, in this video I'm going to be showing the download and install of the software that runs the Blue Sky Bio DS-3D desktop scanner. So the link that's going to be provided, you'll just go to the site and download the software. So I'll go ahead and hit download. And now that that file has finished downloading, we can just simply go down here and click at the bottom of the screen to open this and run the file. Now it's going to tell you that Windows doesn't recognize this. Just go ahead and open this up and tell it to run anyway. This is a trusted application. And it will begin the auto install, and you need to accept the terms and the user license agreement. Click next. I generally do want to create a desktop shortcut. Can't talk today. And then go ahead and install this. And with the software install completed, you can now click Finish, and this will launch the software. And now your software is ready to use. You simply need to turn the scanner on. Go ahead and calibrate it. Make sure that everything is calibrated and focused. And then you are ready to begin using the scanner.